Hey, I'm a psychologist for the earth, free of charge. Do people having a thing of value that can be traded? So then psychologists mind, earth cycles of masculine, balance, feminine, masculine like negative, force, contraction, intent, wave, balance, fulcrum. It allows intent to realize expression, equilibrium, and feminine, positive, expansion, form, particle. What's controlling your forces? What is expressed in your form? Force is who you think you are. Your form is who you really are. I can look and see and touch and feel and communicate with. That makes sense? Nature is polarity dynamics. Left and right, up and down, in and out, black and white, masculine, feminine, in layers. You see this expression of masculine force in masculinity, the thrust. Then you see this expression of feminine in the nature of femininity, the pull. The fulcrum is dissatisfaction, layers, coloring books. The masculine in the coloring book is telling you where to color. The black lines, numbers. The feminine is the colors inside the lines. Polarity dynamics create every aspect of life. Earth is having a great time. You even got polarities in the polarities. The zodiac sign, the 12 spaces of the year. Polarities, cardinal, masculine, fixed, that's fulcrum, mutable, that's feminine. Reality is positive and negative, masculine and feminine. The design, force, the masculine, 2 eyes, 2 nostrils, 2 lips. And the experience, posable thumbs, the feminine. The Bible got you walking around for 40 years to teach you about polarity dynamics. God, masculine, creation, feminine. The fulcrum is his literal presence, enjoying creation.